All right, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, everybody. Long story short, I'm going to make an arcade cabinet for couch party game night so that when I go to take it to expos, I can just take just one big piece of equipment, set it down, plug it in, and get right to it. If you don't know, I've been taking my game all over the world, showcasing it to private individuals to help with the development of the game. So a lot of my time has been, instead of developing the game, is trying to get funding for the game and trying to get interested parties to be more involved in the game. So this will help with that. When I took it to Canada and Japan and South Korea and California and Thailand, the only thing that I could take was controllers and the USB stick with the game. These are long flights. This is a lot of equipment to take, so that's really all I could fit with me is the controllers and the USB stick with the game, and then I would use whatever hardware was available to me wherever I went. But in showcasing the game locally, I can easily just stick this in my trunk and go. So I'm going to make it out of wood, and it will house the monitor, the controllers, keyboard and mouse, and it will all be in one piece. As you can see, the tower will be here. Any heat generated will go up and out of the unit here. Come out the back. Here I'll have a vent. And it will be one piece because this just helps a lot and it just makes sense. It also makes sense that an arcade cabinet to showcase is the way to go, because for both couch gaming and arcades, the main draw of those two different environments is the social interaction between gamers in the same environment, competing with each other and socializing. So I just feel like couch gaming and arcades are it's the same exciting environment and the same type of environment and the same reason to be in those environments. And I think that's why an arcade cabinet makes so much sense. And couch gaming makes so much sense when you are not transporting it and trying to show the game off. But yeah, so look for that. A lot of work going into this, being a one-man crew. So I hope everybody understands I really can't just put 100% of my time into this. I need to be able to fund it to do that. There has been pockets where I would work on it like crazy, and it's because I had the time to do it. But normally I do not have the time. I don't know why some people are angry about that. It's like they can't understand that I'm doing the best I can with developing it with the time I have, and including everybody who wants to give feedback. They are a part of the process, but I just don't have all the time in the world to do it. If I did, I would. So I'm just doing the best I can. Be patient. Let me know what you think about this arcade cabinet. Or don't, as usual. And I'll keep going regardless. But it would be nice, though, to have some damn help. Oh, thanks to everybody who bought the game over the winter sale on Steam. That's awesome. Yeah, it would be nice to have some reviews. That would help a lot also. Anyway, arcade cabinet coming soon. Check it out.